This past summer, I went to Planned Parenthood in a location in Houston, and I went because I was having some vaginal irritation, so I wanted to get it checked out. They provided me with methods to help my issue that weren't medication, so I really enjoyed that, and it was an at-home remedy I could use. I don't think it should get defunded because it could help a lot of people with those sources, and they're affordable. So
the state doesn't really have the ability to cut Planned Parenthood out of their funding stream because it's Medicaid dollars, and Medicaid dollars come from the federal government. So the state gets a certain amount of money from the federal government and then they allocate it to providers. So Planned Parenthood is a provider like anybody else.
You know, Planned Parenthood makes most of its money off of abortions. Usually abortion goes for about $450 a piece. That's their money maker. They say that only 3% of their services are abortion. However, we know from people that have left the abortion industry, such as Abby Johnson, that this is a skewed statistic. 86% of their revenue does in fact come from abortion.
Those Republicans who are in charge of both the state legislature and who have some power in Congress right now are just vehemently anti-abortion. So they refuse to recognize that Planned Parenthood offers comprehensive reproductive health care for women and for men.
A lot of other resources, especially for pregnancy, because like I mentioned earlier, pregnancy resource centers, they offer you, free pregnancy tests, free sonograms. I know people that pay hundreds of dollars to get a sonogram at Planned Parenthood.
I got on the internet, looked for different places, and I found Planned Parenthood, and I thought that they only did abortion, so I was surprised to see that they actually have full women's clinics, and I went there and it wasn't expensive at all.